This is bad. Such a hassle. What am I going to do? Oh, thank the 1,000 winds. This place will do.
Hey, are you a new adventurer? Want to join my team?
Hey, do you have any intel on the Arcadian ruins?
Hey, kiddo! Welcome to the Adventurers Guild!
We're not here for something that boring.
Love to see them.
My... Still no clues. Well, it's not like it's gonna be easy. Come on! It's the hiding place of the super amazing sword. Anyway, we should go meet up with Gaia first.
Oh, you're back. Do you have news for me?
Why is this happening to me? I shouldn't have helped him. 2 guard the statue, 1 the treasure.
Right. Wait, is that it?
There's also this map that came with it.
Could this be the X marks the spot? So the clue is more like a riddle. Well, should be a piece of cake for you, right? Paimon'll leave you to it then. Well, if you can't solve it, we can ask Kaya. He seems like a nerd too.
I'll leave you the intel so you can review it at any time.
Thanks, Vile.
Sound very good.
You're back.
Windblade!
Let me see what's... She doesn't love him at all. The passion rushing through the clear spring is just a front. When she's cold and alone, her true heart is revealed. There's another map. More riddles.
She doesn't love him at all. The passion rushing through the clear spring is just a front. When she's cold and alone, her true heart is revealed.
It's a statue of the Seven. Let's make an offering and see if the gods respond.
Cool it!
This time, the mysteries have all been solved. It sure took a lot of work. But in all fairness, this treasure map really is terrible. It looks like it was drawn by a pirate. This must be the Arcadian ruin. Is it just...
Right.
Freeze! Cool it! Dodge this! Freeze! Ha!
Is this the end? Let's look around.
I'll save you the trouble. How about you let me take over?
Knights of Favil... Wait, what are you...
You're not gonna get me. Okay. Oh God. What is this? I didn't mean it.
What a troublemaker.
You, Knight. You're not gonna watch me die, are ya?
What an interesting suggestion.
How embarrassing. Having my life saved by a knight.